This video is dedicated to three objects in Berdyansk city: a railway station, a bus station, and monument to Polina Osipenko. So, railway station is one-floor building, not so big but not so small, let's to say. Usually it's used during the summer season, June, July, August, when a lot of tourists come to Azov Sea Resort. In other time the building is almost empty. But anyway, inside the building it's very clean and accurate. There is even a natural palm in the waiting room, as we can see on the video. Yeah. Railway to the direction of Berdyansk city is the end way, yeah, and without electricity, so there are used only diesel engines, yeah. Also, I want to take your attention to the toilet, or let's say, yeah, it's let's to say summer type. Okay, inside it's clean, but I just recommend you, especially for foreigners, to make your business before. Opposite to the entrance to railway station building there is a small park, and there is a monument to Polina Osipenko. Polina Osipenko is legendary woman pilot. She did a lot of world records, but she died in an air crash in 1938. Here we can see the building of bus station in Berdyansk. Nothing special inside. The only minus that all the intercity connections are made only with small mini buses. So I don't think you can find here some big buses which must be on such intercity directions. So this is the main minus of this Berdyansk bus station. Yeah, you can see these mini buses on the video.